Good morning. Today is day 4 at sea. It was supposed to be
morning.
Castaway Key today, but due to weather, we're at sea and we're going back home pretty much tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I don't know what today's going to take us to, but we do have churro waffles right now. So
Churro waffles. I did see that there's a Disney Channel trivia, so maybe I'll win a medal. But now I'm panicking. I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna know the answers to the questions they asked.
you got this.
I don't know. If it's like weird questions, I'm gonna be no medal for us. But it's our last chance of maybe getting a medal. We thought Pixar would be it, and it wasn't. So.
But we'll see you there. See you. Oh, guys, we got our own elevator for the first time. How do you feel?
Like luxurious. And we're already at our deck.
We got some eggs, corned beef, churro waffles, and hash browns. And Amy got bacon on top of that. But yeah, looks pretty good. She's grabbing our drinks. Alright, Amy, first bite for the churro waffles.
The camera's gotta eat first.
As you can see, the influencer in the wild taking photographs of her churro. Instead of letting her taste buds enjoy the food, she gets every detail possible. But eventually, we'll get to try this together.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Warm. Way better than a churro at Disney or Universal.
As we're waiting for trivia to start, surprise, there's the Disney Fantasy across the way. How exciting it is to see another ship.
Okay, we are back from trivia. That was horrendous. It was not Disney Channel like I expected. It was like early Disney Channel. So we literally got 5 questions right.
Out of 20.
Yeah, like it was terrible.
So what we did was a little shopping therapy, and we bought more pins.
Yeah, we got these little Stitch Attack snacks. They're really cute. I've been avoiding this set, but they're cute. You can find them in the parks. You can find them on a cruise.
There's some of the ones that you could get.
So yeah, we're gonna open them on camera
For you.
for you. I think there should be a little full. I don't know if they're gonna be in bags.
Nope. Alright, randomly draw. First one up is Angel with a lollipop with Mickey ears.
Oh.
That one's cute.
I got Stitch with the Slurpee or something. Maybe a butterbeer.
Yeah.
Or no, it wouldn't be a butterbeer. Maybe it's a LeFou brew.
Who knows? This one's cute though.
Oh. Stitch in a donut. Alright, this one I think is Angel. I'm not looking at it.
I don't want to do the last
Angel
one.
with Dole Whip. How cute.
I want the last one.
I don't care. You can do it.
And we got, you're seeing it first.
Stitch with a snow cone on his head.
He looks psychotic.
Very cute.
Oh yeah, these are cute. So
They're nice and big, which I like.
3, 6, 12, 16.
Yeah.
And we got 6 of 10. Let's go buy another bag. Just kidding. Alright guys, we'll see you later.
As you already know, Castaway was canceled. I got ribs because, I was going to enjoy those in the ocean, but, we got some grub, but nice view.
Alright, Amy grabbed some tiramisu. How do you feel?
It looks good. Is that what I'm supposed to say?
Pretty much. Good job. Look at that fog all the way back behind the boat. That's probably the reason why we couldn't go to Castaway.
Future Amy and Mike here to tell you that tiramisu was very dry. It was terrible. And tonight was the Disney's Believe show, which was super cute, a super good show, and 10 out of 10, highly recommend.
100%, I agree with you. But, fun fact,
Pouring outside in the middle of the ocean right now, guys. Pouring. Alright guys, we're going to be leaving, so we'll see you later.
Nah, you guys are coming along. Yeah.
Here we are inside the Walt Disney Theater. It is very beautiful in here. Just pre-showtime, these were our seats most of the nights. We got in the same area. Here's dinner. That was the deep fried eggplant,
French
the
onion
soup, bread, salad, Mike's tofu,
Always.
and my steak. Seemed very typical. I know, every night I got a steak.
Or I got tofu. Here's the dessert menu.
Yes, I love the dessert menu. It was so cute how they presented it to us. Typical dessert offerings. Mike got some lovely coffee cake thing. I got a strawberry sundae. Very
Delicious.
good.
All right, guys. Today is the final night. We just ate dinner. How'd you feel about that restaurant?
I loved it. I thought the food was actually really, really good. I was worried about the menu going in yet again.
Yeah.
Picky eater problems. Food was really good. I got the filet.
I got tofu.
Thankfully, they switched out the deep fried brie for a deep fried eggplant on our cruise. Phenomenal. Like 10 out of 10. So good. We both enjoyed it so much.
We have the going away party and
the little kiss goodnight or something. I don't know.
I don't really know what it is, but we're gonna go there. And once that's over, this video's over. So stay tuned for our next adventure / a recap of everything we thought and our opinions.
And probably a merch haul as well.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys around. Bye.
Did you have a great cruise? Of course you did. Well, as our time together draws to an end, we have some fabulous friends who would like to say hello one more time. Would you like to see them? I don't think they can hear you. Would you like to see them? All the way from the bayou with the best beignets, we have Princess Tiana. Telling us a dream is a wish that your heart makes, it is Princess Cinderella. Always looking for adventure in the great wide somewhere, it is Princess Belle. Now it's time for everyone's favorite party animal, it's Pluto. He danced his way into all of our hearts. It's Goofy. Everybody get ready to go nuts. It's Chip and Dale. It's time for the #1 duck on the high seas. It's Donald, everybody. #1. And now it's time for the diva of the Disney dream. It's Daisy. And last but certainly by no means least, it is Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie Mouse. All our friends will be around the lobby atrium for the next 20 minutes for you to be able to get those last photos, high fives, and hugs. So that will be 20 minutes before they join us back on the grand staircase for a moment you will not want to miss. Well, everybody, it's about that time to ask Mickey and the gang to join us back on the staircase. Here at Disney Cruise Line, we have a very special way to say see you real soon. Take a look.
We sail the sea of wonder, take the cruise on a sea of dreams, find such thrills on a sea of adventure, where everything's more than it seems. And as we head home, we remember the friends that we made here and there. We'll recall every journey together.
Now's the time to say farewell to all our Disney friends. So can I ask everyone to put their hands high in the air and say farewell, princesses. Everybody say good night, Chippendale. Are we ready? You're still number one, Donald. Everyone say ta-ta, Daisy. It's ciao for now, Pluto. Good night, Goofy. And of course, we never say goodbye to Captains and Mickey and Minnie. We say see you real soon. So on the count of 3, everyone say see you real soon, Mickey and Minnie. 1, 2, 3. See you real soon, Mickey and Minnie. On behalf of Captain Evo, your cruise director Erico, and all the officers and crew, we thank you so much for joining us on this cruise, and we wish you safe travels.